over here. Then put it here. Then let go. Then it will slide all the way and hit here. And happy. And 1, 2, 3.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Bye. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. And tap on the bell button to watch more videos. Bye, everyone.